How's it going, YouTube? This is James from LRP Filming, bringing you a quick short tutorial on how to pick an indoor lock. I was locked out of my bedroom, presumably by my children. However, neither one of them was willing to accept the blame. When I asked who did it, they both told me it was a ghost. So I guess a ghost it is. So what I'm going to do today is just demonstrate how easy it is to open an indoor lock when you don't have the original key that comes with it. What I did was I went to the dollar store and picked up a set of 6 mini screwdrivers. The one I'm going to be using today is this guy. He is a 332 screwdriver, very thin. And for this job, you want one that's thin enough to fit into the hole all the way, but also sturdy enough that you can twist it in an effective manner in order to unlock the mechanism inside the doorknob. So basically, all you need to do is pretty straightforward. Is take the screwdriver, put it inside the hole on the knob, and push until you actually are able to feel the locking mechanism inside the doorknob. Once you feel the mechanism, you should typically hear a little pop. That just lets you know that you've got the screwdriver in the right place. And with most locks, you have to rotate the screwdriver clockwise in order to unlock it. So we're going to give that a shot. You should hear the click, and voila, the door is now open. So take it from me, I am definitely not a handyman. This is just a quick, basic, simple way of unlocking your door when you lock yourself out. Hope you like this quick do-it-yourself video. I probably will never do another one, but if you like it, just hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to check out all of our videos. Leave comments, feel free. Like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that way you receive all of our videos as soon as they're released. Thanks and have a good one. And Bob's your uncle.